Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to save a job on Upwork. Why would you want to know how to save a job on Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to save a job on Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to save a job on Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you have found and willing to apply on a job or in a hurry and apply later, you can save that job and apply later. How you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com at search bar. Scroll down. Now you are seeing different jobs. If you are willing to save a job, you are seeing heart icon in right corner of that job. Press it. Your job has been saved. Now you can apply at any time on this job. There you go. If you wanted to know how to save a job on Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.